In this video, we will solve important algebraic expression problems based on perimeter, identities, volume, which is perfect for SSC, IGCSE, O-level and grade 9 to 10 exam practice. Welcome to MathGym. Let's start today's lecture. First question. Find the perimeter of triangle whose sides are. Before we start this one, we have to know what is perimeter. Look, this is a triangle. So this triangle has three sides. We know every triangle has three sides. Let's say A, B and C. So triangle perimeter is the length of whole sides. It means A plus B plus C. So here is sides, some algebraic expression here. We just make summation. So we can write 2x square plus 3xy minus 11y plus x square plus 11xy plus 3y, right? And then minus x square minus xy, then minus y. So this is the summation. So actually no need this bracket, right? No need this one. Just simple summation. 2x square plus x square minus x square. So plus x square minus x square out, we can write 2x square. Here is plus 3xy plus 11xy and here is minus xy. So 11 plus 3 is a 14 and minus 1, it will be minus 13xy. Here is minus 11, here is minus y, it means 12 minus 12y and here plus 3y. So minus 12 plus 3, it will be minus 9. So we can write minus 9y. So this is our answer, or we can say this is the triangle perimeter of this triangle. So first question answer done. Second question. Subtract. We can write this expression from, look, from. So this one is the first expression from this. So we can write 11x to the power 4 plus 5x cube minus x square minus 6x, and we will subtract this one. So similar term, here is 8x cube. So we can write here plus 8x cube, then plus 4x square. This is x square, so plus 4x square, and here is minus 2x. So here minus 2x. We will subtract. So once we make subtract, so our sign will be changed. So this one is nothing, this one minus, and this one plus. So 11x to the power 4 will be unchanged, plus 5x cube and minus 8x cube, it will be minus 3x cube. Minus and minus, it will be minus 5x square. And here minus 6x and plus 2x, it will be minus 4x. This is our answer. It's a short question. If you successfully complete this one, you will get 2 marks each question. So number 2 done. Number 3, find the product. Here is 3 by 5ax cube times 1 by 6 b x square times 2 by 5 a b y. Look, these are constant, so we can keep one side. So 3 by 5 times 1 by 6 times 2 by 5 times, here is a, here is a. So we know once base are same, that time power will be add once we make product. So a times a will be a square. Then here is x cube, here is x square. So it will be what? X cube times x square. Base are same, so power will be add once product. So 3 plus 2, it will be x to the power 5. We can write what? X to the power 5 times, and finally this one is y. So we can write, we can divide this 6 by 3, it will be 2. 2 and 2 divide, it will be 1. So here is 1 by 25. Then a square, x to the power 5 and y. This is our answer. 3a done. Now 3b. 7p square q pq minus 9p square q square. So as per distributive law, 7 first we multiply with first one. So 7 is a constant, it will be unchanged. P square times p, it will be p cube, and q multiply q square, minus 7 times 9 is a 63. Then p square and p square, it will be p to the power 4, and q square, it will be q to the power 3. This is our answer. So number 3 done. Number 4, find the area of a triangle whose length is 2x plus 7 units and breadth is x minus 5 units. So we know about triangle where opposite length is same. So length is 2x plus 7 and breadth is x minus 5. So we have to find out the value of area. So area equals to, we know, length times breadth, right? So here is 2x plus 7 times x minus 5. So 2x times x is a 2x square, minus 2 times 5 is a 10x, plus 7x, plus minus minus 7 times 5 is a 35. So very simple, done. Number 5, find the value of x if 4x equals to 52 square minus 48 square CBQ. It means it's a common thing. It will be, we have to follow any kinds of identities. So we can say it's the number 5, 4x equals to 52 square minus 48 square. It's looking a square minus b square, it's a difference of square, a plus b times a minus b. So this one we can say 52 plus 48 and 52 minus 8 and this here is 4x. So 4x equals to, here 2 plus 8 is a 0, 5 plus 4 is a 9, carry 1, it will be 10. It means 100 times 52 minus 48 is a 4. So once we divide both sides by 4, x equals to 100, and this is our answer. Number 6 also similar thing. Simplify 3y square plus 9 times 3y square minus 5 using suitable identity. So simplify 3, you can write this one, 3y square plus 9 and 3y square minus 5, right? So what is the suitable identity? So what is the theory? So this one, which is just simply multiplication, like 3 times 3 is a 9, y square times y square, y to the power 4. Then 3y square minus 5, once you make some product, it will be minus 15y square. Then plus 9 times 3 is a 27 y square, and plus minus, once you multiply, it will be minus 9 times 5 is a 45, and this is our answer. Today's last question, here mention, find the volume of rectangle box with xy, 2x square y and 2xy square as length, breadth and height respectively. So find the volume. So we can write in here, number 7, we know volume equals to length times breadth times what? Height. So length is what? xy times breadth is 2x square y times height is 2xy square. So this volume is 2 times 2 is a 4, x square x, it will be what? X to the power 4, y square times y square, it will be y to the power 4. This is our answer. Very simple. If you solve this kinds of question, you will get 2 marks each question. So this is a good practice for algebraic expression, especially it's including geometry. So don't neglect yourself. Once you face this kinds of practice problem, you should solve this one. No more today. Please subscribe my channel MathJip. From now I will try to publish this kinds of video every day in the morning. Thanks for being with me.